How to make the internet faster on your iPad. So if you're getting slow Wi-Fi or slow internet using your iPad, I'll show you a few ways on how to speed up your connection. So all you need to do is first head over to your iPhone home screen like this. You could then use the search box to type in settings and go and open up your settings app. Now from the left hand side, click on battery. And you'll see at the bottom low power mode. Make sure this is turned off and disabled, as this can slow down your internet. You could then click on general from the left hand side. Scroll down to VPN and device management. And if you're currently using a VPN, you'll need to go and disconnect from this now. So VPNs can also slow down your internet connection. And once you're disconnected, you should see a message that says not connected like this. You could then head back over to the previous window, scroll right down to the bottom and select transfer or reset iPad. You could then click on reset and just go and press reset network settings. You'll need to enter your iPad's passcode to confirm these changes, and this will reset all of your Wi-Fi settings and connections. So once you've done this, you'll just need to come back over to Wi-Fi on the left hand side. And you'll need to go and reconnect to your Wi-Fi connection. So you'll need to re-enter the password to your router. And once you've connected, you can check if your speed is now faster. If it's still not working, there is one final solution. Now just click on the information button next to the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. You could then scroll down and click on configure DNS. You could then click on manual. You could then press add server, and you need to go and type in the following numbers. 8.8.8.8 and then click on add server and type in 8.8.4.4 and then press save in the top right hand side. Now once you've done this, you can try surfing the internet and your Wi-Fi speed should now be much quicker.